Today is day 11 of our challenge. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. And today I wanted to do something a little bit different. Today's workout is inspired by yoga, which means that the moves are gonna help you to strengthen and build your muscle for yoga. And it's definitely gonna help you to better your practice. And I say better because yoga is not just a physical activity, but today we're just gonna target that part of yoga. It's gonna help you to build more strength and flow with more ease into your yoga practice. These are the moves I practice regularly personally, and I find them really efficient, and I hope you're gonna enjoy that workout. So let's get started. Today we have 8 moves and we're gonna hold them for 40 seconds, and some of the moves we're gonna do one leg and then the other leg. For the first move, we're gonna go into a high lunge and we're gonna lift our heel, front heel, and then we're gonna go down. We're not gonna touch the floor with the knee, and push back up. Alright, and hold stability here. For our second move, we're gonna do a pigeon to a 3-legged dog. So go into a downward dog, then you're gonna lift one of your leg and put it forward into pigeon. Then rest your foot entirely, and then you're gonna push back into the downward dog, flip your toe, push back. So, hop. Our next move is going to be a triceps push-up with a push back into elevated child's pose. Push up and push back into child's pose. This one's elevated. My knees are not on the floor. It's up, push back, push back. For our next move, we're going to flow a little bit and we're going to do a warrior 2, guerrier 2. Go into flying warrior. Push, pulse down, up, and go back. So let's do it once more with some rhythm. Up, pulse, up, warrior. Up, pulse, up, warrior. For the move number 5, we're going to do a high plank with kicks. So go into a high plank, and then simply kick, kick. The leg stays up. Kick. Move number 6 is a tad bit complicated to explain, so just watch what I'm doing. So you're gonna have one leg behind, the other in front. You're gonna touch the floor, and then this leg you're gonna lift it up. You're gonna cross it behind, go on the floor. Okay, so my knee is the opposite way. My hands are still on the floor. And then I'm gonna push through my heel here to pop it back into like a supported warrior 3. And back down, push up, down, up. Okay, move number 7, we're gonna practice our chaturanga by doing chaturanga jumps. So you're gonna fall forward, either you have straight leg, either you bend your legs if you're not flexible, and then you're just gonna push and jump back into chaturanga. Up, and then up, jump or walk, back up, down, up. The option here is here, you go into a plank, then you do chaturanga, you push back up, and then you walk, and then you come up. And our final move is just going to be a side plank, and you're going to take the variation you want. So I'm going to show you a couple of ones. Either you go on both of your feet. If that's already too hard, put one knee on the floor. Make sure you're really aligned, but if you can do that, otherwise here. And if you can, up. Make sure your hips are up. And if you're really a yogi, you can take your foot and just put it up. Okay, so 8 moves, a little bit more than 10 minutes. Are you guys ready? Let's go. Okay, so we're starting with our modified lunge. Remember, this heel is up, then you go down. Don't touch the ground with your knee. It's balance, strength, flexibility. It's yoga. N'oubliez pas, le talon de devant n'est pas au sol et le genou de derrière ne touche pas au sol. Et bien, si c'est trop difficile, posez le talon de devant. That's really too hard. put your front heel on the floor. Otherwise, keep going. 10-second break, we're changing legs. Put the other leg in front, on your toes, and let's go down. You can adjust your position if you feel like your knees are... Sorry for the cracking sound, that's my knee. Alright guys, focus on breathe, it's really important in yoga. Put your hands wherever it feels more comfortable for you. It's easier if you put them in the center. Good job guys. 5 seconds. Good job. Alright, we're off to our pigeon. We're just going to do 20 seconds on each side. Right leg up, go into pigeon, push back up, pigeon, sorry, foot, pigeon, foot on the ground, push back up, foot on the ground, push back up, change leg, left leg up, pigeon, foot on the ground, back up, pigeon, up, pigeon, one more, good job. Now we're off to our triceps push-up with child's pose. You guys ready? Let's go. Triceps, pose. Triceps push-up. La pose de l'enfant, les genoux ne sont pas par terre, ok? Hop. Très bien. Gardez le ventre engagé. Keep your core tight. Real good. And breathe. Go at your own pace. It's not a race. Quality before quantity. And one last. Good job. We are off to a little flow, which is warrior 2. Flying, pulse, right? 1, up, pulse, up, and 1, up, pulse, up. Warrior 2. Warrior 2. Check out my foot, my rear foot. It's changing position. My front foot 2. Forward. And then parallel. Keep core engaged. Good job. Great, we're going to do the same on the other side. So remember that foot changes direction, okay? This one a little bit, but alright, warrior 2, up. Warrior 2. Warrior. Here the toes are slightly upwards. Up. Good job. Très bien. Le pied avant change de position. Le pied arrière aussi tourne avec. Et le pied avant va vers l'avant. Puis parallèle. Hop. 5 secondes. Très bien. Dernier. Super. Okay. Now is our high plank with the kicks. We're going to start with left leg kicks. So go into a high plank. Leg left up, kick through, and put back. Don't put your foot on the ground. It's up there. It's your abs working. Good job. Très bien. Ne reposez pas votre pied. Respirez. Très bien. Je transpire. Et vous.
Ok. 5 secondes. 3, 2 et 1. On a 2 jambes, donc on va faire l'autre côté. Allez, courage. C'est reparti. Et c'est reparti. Jambe droite en haut. Et à travers. En haut et travers. One leg should be easier than the other one. Keep your butt down as you're planking. Twist back parallel to your mat. 10 seconds. Good job. 3, 2, and 1. Alright, we're gonna do a weird move where we cross our leg behind. Alright, we're gonna start with the right leg up and on the floor. Right leg up, cross it behind, push back up. Cross, push back up. Passe. Repoussez avec votre talon au sol. Si votre jambe n'est pas tendue, c'est pas grave, hein. Celle d'appui. Et l'autre par contre, oui, en haut. Ok, mais si vous êtes là, c'est pas grave. C'est bien. Et on va changer de jambe. On va changer. Je vais mettre de l'autre côté pour que vous puissiez voir. Ok. Descends. Remonte. C'était peut-être pas une bonne idée pour moi. Ok. Ok. Du coup, vous voyez. Plus trop. Ce genou-là à l'extérieur et on pousse. Hop. Hop. Good job. Hop. Does it burn your support leg? That's what it should do. Keep pushing through the heel. Up. Real good. Up. Up. Good job. We're off to our shadow orgasm. Okay. Down. Up. Up. And up. Chaturanga. Jump back. Or up. Chaturanga. Push back. And walk. Down. Jump. Chaturanga. Push back. And walk, or just up. If you're more advanced, you can go quicker. 5, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. 2 more to go. 2 more to go. Side planks. Right? Take the variation of your choice. Either it's here, either it's here, either it's here, here, holding your foot up. I'm gonna do that one. That's a cool one. All right, keep it up here. Montez votre hanche, plus encore. Comme si quelqu'un vous donnait un coup de poing en dessous de votre taille. Très bien. Gardez le ventre engagé. 2, 1. Très bien. On change de côté. We take the exact same variation. Prenez la même variation que vous avez prise. Et c'est parti. Donc soyez bien alignés. Main en haut. Au-dessus de votre épaule. Super. If that's too hard, go back to a normal one. Alright, but keep lifted and straight line. Good job. 10 seconds. Smile. Give me your smile. Okay. All right.
Who's broken a little sweat? I definitely have. The focus here is gaining strength while elongating your muscle and make them more flexible, like an overall flexible body. I know these moves are really not common, so let me know if you enjoy that, and I might do another edition of that, maybe not for the challenge, but maybe like later on my channel. And if you didn't, let me know still, at least I know. Tomorrow we're gonna do a resistance band workout, so I'm gonna guide you through exercises you can do with a resistance or elastic band. And if you don't have any, that's completely fine. I mean, you're still able to do the workout, it's just not gonna be as hard as if you have one. But yeah, so I hope to see you there. And then the day after, I'm pretty sure you're excited about it because we're gonna dance, and yeah, I'm super excited about it too. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed today. Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to invite your friends. It would mean a lot to me too. And I hope to see you tomorrow.